In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC in Outlook. BCC, or blind carbon copy, lets you include recipients without exposing their addresses to everyone else. It's ideal for announcements, large groups, and any situation where privacy and a tidy recipient list matter. We'll enable the BCC field, add recipients, and send along with a few quick tips. Start by opening Outlook. If you're on the web, sign in and head to your inbox. You'll see your folders on the left and messages in the center. Everything happens in the Compose window, so let's open one now. Click New Mail to launch a blank message. At the top, you'll see To and CC, then the subject line and the message body. Use To for your primary audience and CC for those who should be informed. Next, we'll surface the BCC option so you can add recipients discreetly. In the Compose window, click the BCC button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small link near CC. Once clicked, a new BCC row appears just under To and CC. That's the private field where you'll add addresses that should remain hidden from other recipients. Enter your BCC recipients in that field. Outlook's autocomplete helps you select contacts, and multiple addresses can be separated with commas. People in To and CC won't see who you've BCC'd, and BCC recipients won't see one another. If someone on BCC replies, their response goes only to you by default, which helps keep replies contained. Now finish your email, add a clear subject, write your message, and attach files if needed. Before sending, double check the TU, CC, and BCC fields so the right people see exactly what they should. This is critical for sensitive updates and broad announcements. When everything looks good, click send. Your message goes out with BCC applied, preserving privacy and avoiding a long, visible address list. That's the workflow in a nutshell. Open Outlook, start a new message, reveal BCC, add your hidden recipients, complete the email, and send. Use it whenever you want professional, respectful communication without oversharing addresses. Quick tip: reserve BCC for large distributions, external stakeholders, or when you don't have permission to share addresses. For small teams that need full visibility, rely on To and CC instead. And always confirm that sensitive information is appropriate to send to anyone you include, even on BCC. And that's it. Simple, effective, and privacy friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.